2nd, around 11:15 p.m., information was received that Arthur Young, leader of the Taylor's Alley gang, who was wanted in connection with the Pinky Tillet double murder, was being harbored at a house in Vista Del Mar, Ladyville, Belize district. Quick police response to the area resulted in the capture of Arthur Young, who was later pronounced dead on arrival at the KHMH after a struggle with the police for a firearm.
Good day, my wonderful people. It's me again, the great again, countryman. Remember to like, share, and subscribe, and hit your notification button. Country girl, now hear from you. Country boss, big up yourself. Country boy, me now hear from you. Silent rebel, me now hear from you. Nuclear, big up yourself. Undocumented, big up yourself. 306, me now hear from you. Who else? Trinity Boss, Clarendon Boss, and the whole country squad and patrol crew. Yeah, I mean, countryman. Now, you heard that clip that played just now. And the clip that played is about this guy right here, Arthur Young. Him was the leader of the Taylor Street gang in Belize. And the boy them slap him away. Now, we are going to get into that. May I show you why the police go for him and what that boy do. Alright? Watch this.
The surveillance video picks up where Shelton Pinky Tillet is getting into his white pickup at the bottom of your frame. At the top of the frame, a gunman darts out of a silver Pathfinder which is parked at a gas pump. He comes running across the gas station, pistol in hand. He runs over to the pickup and opens fire, shooting multiple times, killing Tillet. And then reaching across the vehicle to shoot Tillet's female companion, Camille Andrews. The shooter then ducks down to hide his face as he runs off into the Pathfinder where a driver is waiting, while another pickup at the top of your frame drives off at the same time. It seems to have been a carefully planned execution, as the gunman seems to have brought two vehicles to make sure the job was finished.
Now, look at the screen in front of you. I don't know one of them. May I take on to Belize. I Belize this. And like I said, the youth up on the right, Arthur Young. Him are the leader of the Taylor Alley gang. And Shelton Tillet are the George Street gang. Now, the video I wanna just see the police go for him on the right, Arthur Young. Because they say him are the one where fling with them in the white truck. And I just see the white truck and the man run up and do the thing. So that's why the police then go for him. But when they go for him, the first clip when the video first start, when they see the police, I said Arthur Young in the back of the police truck or van, it make for the policeman sitting, and the policeman then give him training and tomorrow, and him drop out. So now they must say it's a big investigation because the way how Arthur Young drop out, it not look right. You understand? So now it's a big investigation. You have 3 people gone. But anyways, this is what the police them say. Them say about 11:15, them receive some information that Arthur Young, the known leader of the Taylor Alley gang, was hiding in a house in Vista Del Mar. Them say when them enter the house, them see him in one of the room. Him try to escape and them catch him. While them are escorting him to this detention center downtown Queen Street, the policeman said in the back of the pickup, he make for the man thing. And him and the man start struggle and then get 399 chest. Them say after that though. Now, them go for him because in the surveillance video at the Esso gas station, when the youth in Amigo, Sheldon, come out at the gas station and go in and choke. A man may look like him, and not like look like that brother on the right, run up and do him thing to them. So, and that are the situation behind them youth. Now, I'm going to talk a little bit about Mr. Young. So let's move on with this secret. Now, I'm going to tell you about Mr. Young. Them say him have a long history dating back from before 2000. Because he did the charge for murder and even the possession of a unlicensed machine. Them say in August 2002, them charge him with one fling with it for Jose Charavera. I hope I pronounce that right. Them say, them finger him in a slap with it. And then leg of Belize and come in America. And then them deport him back at Belize back in 2000. They are prison till them let him out. And then later get acquitted. So, the youth here, him have a long, extensive record. So the police, them not done with him yet. Them say, yo, in April 2010, them bust a house in a Vista Del Mar and them find a bag of illicit sitting there and then find some big time tall up with some suppressor on it. You see what I'm saying? Now, them say, when I'm friend, Mr. Errol Ians, and him them finding at the house, and pretty much wait name there, and Mr. Arthur Young are the man where them want and a film place. And, you know, him call the news and him talk to the news media. Him say him fear for him life. Because the police them want to fling him away. Every time them see him, them harass him. Him did there Mexico too. I do some things and get caught up over there with the cartel, the dangerous boy, that boy. And get dashed back down at Belize. Every minute, him call the paper. You know, him say, yo, him name, they put on a charge sheet, him tell the paper, him say, yo, I don't him do nothing. Him say, yo, people are using name. The police, them want to get him. And I guess finally, them get him. Maybe at the dog paw, I believe that. I don't know. But him did have a real contorted and extensive thing about him and extensive record. Understand? And him call the news media all the time. So maybe the police they never like him. But at the end of the day, him, the police them go for. You understand? Arthur Young, because them say him, that's where my youth, Tillet and Miss Andrews, and them a rival gang at war, and at him, the police them said let's move on. At the time when my youth had take out Shelton Tillet, the youth in Amigo, there was supposed to be a peace truce going on. So people are really upset was really upset about it. I guess before Sheldon gets slapped, them say 3 man did get fling away a couple hours before. So I don't know if that trigger Arthur Young or what, but if you look at that video, to me, it looked similar to him and his body structure and everything, and you see the man has shot across. Now, there has been an ongoing war with them two, the Taylor Alley gang and the George Street gang. Even up to recently, in 2020, them said them have a truce. Me have a look into it and me have a give some more update. But all me can say, Belize turn up and you know what the rightness of. Yeah, same neighborhood with Venezuela and all of them Trinidad. And all me I say is like the man them turn up over there and they're gonna dig some deep more. I'm sorry for what happened to them 3 people. Yeah. No wish it upon nobody, but all me I say the man them serious and the man them turn up over there. This is the story of George Street young leader Shelton Tillet and Arthur Young. Him are the Arthur Taylor Alley young leader. All 3 of them keep that get fling where. If you like the story and like what me I deal with, just hit the notification button and subscribe and check out the Patreon page. Alright, and the WhatsApp group. All of the link them there down below. Countryman, I'm out.